Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location at 1443 Banks Road. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of those most popular Honda Ridgelines, and we did a cover for it. But before we get started, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, we have good answers. By the way, our general manager, John, is behind the camera today. And if you call the store, you probably talk to John because he's always one that picks up the phone first. So what do we have here? Well, we have the Bak Flip MX4 on a new Honda Ridgeline. And before we go into how it works, I want you to take a good look on how nice it looks on this vehicle. First thing you'll notice, it is low profile. It sits in the bed. I know the one from Honda has a tendency to sit on the high side. It actually looks like a big fat brick stuck on it. This one sits nice and low. Also, take a look how the finish matches all the trim on this. It really does a great job of matching this up. Now, this is the latest MX4, so a little different shade. It's more black than before. It was more gray here. Now they're more black. So it looks quite nice. Now, the features on this, you got a 400-pound weight capacity, which puts it at the higher end, and it comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we install it, we double it. That's right, through the Real Truck program. If we do a professional installation, it has to be done by us, we're able to double the warranty from 5 to 10 years. Very, very good warranty. So let's go in here. I'll show you a few things. First thing first, a lot of people ask, hey, does it work with the Honda tailgate? So I'm opening it up here. As you can see, it does work that way. And of course, the regular way. Now, what's nice about this cover, it does have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Now, why is that good? Well, if you're off on the highway and you pull off to the side of the road and you need to open your cover and you got all the traffic on one side, you can go to the other side and be a little safer to open the cover. Now, these work very well. You just kind of pull it here. Now, I'm going to go over a couple little things. If you buy this from us and you're doing the installation at home, a lot of times people have a hard time with the cover closing. And there's a couple little techniques that are not part of the directions that makes it easier to close. If you buy from us, we'll go over all that with you. So not a big deal, but it's something that you need to do to make it work just as good as you can see how that works. Now, go over here. Now, another great thing about the MX4 is you're able to drive with it partially open and partially closed depending on your point of view. Some covers, it's all the way open, all the way closed, and there's nothing in between. This one you can sit just like this, locks into place. You don't have to worry about the wind catching it. And when you're not in use, you just take this and just slide it in there. Now, another really good thing about this cover. Now, a lot of times people think tri-fold covers fold 3 times. Not always the truth. A lot of tri-fold covers are 2 folds. Now, this is a true 3-folding cover. And it goes underneath the brake light. So if you hit your brakes or if you have cameras up there, it doesn't block it. And now you have pretty much full access to the bed. Now, of course, a lot of people, hey, can you drive down the highway like this? And you can. But got to lock it in place. Now, there's 2 secures on this, 1 on each side. Make sure you lock both sides. Now, this does have a drainage system right here, if you can see. And we do put the little tubes there. Now, we didn't put them in the floor. We put them into the side. The main reason we put them in the sides is so you don't accidentally knock them out by putting luggage in there or anything else. So have them on the side and out of the way is the best way of doing it. Also, let me go ahead and show you another thing here. Okay. I know it's got a timer. These things will always lock on you. Okay, you ready? What I want to show you is the additional. Hey, come on. There we go, finally. As you know, if you own a Honda, it has an extra trunk here in the bed, which, by the way, it's a great feature. A lot of companies should do this. Now, I'm going to open this up. I want you to see that I have full access to all this stuff in here. I have no problem getting in here whatsoever. Now, it does touch this, but it does not really interfere with anything. I want you to see that because a lot of times, if I don't mention this, people always ask in the bottom of the video, hey, can you open the bed storage? And as you can see, yes. Now, I've never had any issues with getting in there. So as you can see for yourself, no issues whatsoever. The most important thing is all the great features that come with this, you're able to use. I heard it locking me. I was talking here, so go ahead and unlock it again. Okay. So this cover does not interfere with any of the great features here. All in all, great product. It is American made, so you know the quality is good. It's a Real Truck product, and of course, Real Truck owns Bak Industries. Nice and tight fit. Now, if you like this, we can drop ship it anywhere in the United States. We're also shipping to Hawaii Alaska, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, and Brazil now. So still working on some other places, but if you live in any of those places, we can make arrangements to have it shipped to you as well. Again, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all this great product. Go ahead, John, swing around here so we can get a real good look on how this looks on the vehicle here. I think it looks sharp. You really can't go wrong. It's a clean look. It really works perfect with all the trim. Everything matches. You just can't go wrong. Thank you, by the way, for watching my video. We're going on 10 years plus on YouTube. And last time I looked, the viewership is 4.5 million people have watched our videos. And we're having 10,000 plus subscribers. And what's the other thing we have? I forgot to say. Well, 10 years. Well, that's a pretty good time. So, again, thank you so much for helping us out with that. We really appreciate all your help with the YouTube channel. And if, again, you're subscribing and hitting the like button, boy, does that help us out a lot. Thank you so much.